Good morning. I am just on my way to go. Wow, that is so bright. I need some sunglasses in my car. I don't have any. Anyway, I am currently driving to go meet Halle Bell at the gym. Today is going to be a very busy, packed day full of home organization and cleaning. After my workout, I'm gonna come home, shower, and basically like be working in the house all day, getting everything organized, getting rid of all of our junk that we don't need anymore that's been in storage. If we have any junk. We've actually been pretty good about getting rid of stuff throughout the years, so I feel like there's not gonna be a ton to get rid of, but I do need to like organize it and make everything airtight because it's going in our basement. Anyway, so we just need to like make everything airtight and get it ready for storage because I don't know if I've explained this before, but the bathroom renovation that we're doing right now, we're actually just like adding a bathroom into what was only just a regular bedroom in our house. So we're turning a bedroom into a bathroom. And that bedroom was basically like our storage room, which was kind of a mistake because now we've got all this storage stuff kind of dispersed throughout our bedroom and the other guest bedroom in our house, and it's just an absolute mess. And now it's like we're last minute scrambling to organize everything and get everything situated in the basement. But yeah, we have to make everything airtight before it goes in the basement, otherwise it could all get ruined, and we don't want that to happen because we've got lots of like sentimental things. And anyway, that was a very long-winded little chat. I'm so not used to talking to the camera anymore. It's really weird. Like, it's just weird how you can fall out of a habit so easily. But I guess it's not that easily because I haven't vlogged in like 6 months. It hasn't been that long, but it has been a while. Anyway, my point is, I'm a little rusty here at vlogging, so please bear with me. I love doing it. I just like, I've been slacking, so. But I'm back with my new haircut. I literally feel like a new person. I'm really actually loving it so far. So, all right, I'm gonna put the camera down now because I'm sure my mom and or my husband is probably yelling at the computer or texting me right now telling me, you shouldn't be vlogging while you're driving, it's unsafe. But I don't think it's that unsafe. I feel like it's the same as talking on the phone while driving. That's illegal in a lot of states, but I don't think it's that dangerous. We just worked out. We did the Stairmaster for my first time, and it was kind of scary, but really good. I feel like I'm gonna get good results from this if I keep it up. Alright, I'm dropping HB off. Bye. It's been fun. Adios, amigos. I'll see you soon. Okay. Bye. Bye. Let's do our formal reading soon. Formal reading. Bye. Bye. I am just running out the door to go meet Dana, and I've styled my hair by myself for the first time. I washed it, blow dried it, and like sprayed some stuff in it. But I think I like it. I don't know, you guys. I feel like it gets some taking used to. I'm going back to the mirror to like properly look at it. It's really dark in here, but I feel like it's gonna take a little bit of getting used to, and I'm also kind of excited for it to grow out to be like another half an inch or an inch longer. But no, I'm liking it. I'm welcoming the change. But it definitely takes a little getting used to, like just figuring out how to style it, how I like it and stuff. It's way too freaking hot to be September. So I am just heading over to this new coffee shop. It's called Provisions, and it's downstairs of the Edwin Hotel, which is the hotel that we went to last night. I'm really excited about it because it looks super cute. Josh and I peeked in last night when we were leaving, and it just looked really cute and like they had good stuff. So I'm meeting Dana there. I'm really excited to see her because I haven't seen her in so long. It's literally been months, which is really sad because we used to hang out like every day. But we were both like here and there and everywhere all summer long, so traveling and stuff. But now we're both back. She's back in school because she's a university student, so she's back in school, so I feel like we're gonna get our routine back in place. She's like my vlogging buddy. She's also got a YouTube channel, and she like keeps me accountable because she is so committed. Like she literally posts 2 videos a week, every single week without fail, even while she's traveling and busy being a full-time student and all this stuff. So it's really inspirational because I've been slacking on the vlogs, but it's fall now and it's my time to shine. It's my I sound like such an idiot, but it's my favorite time of the year. And I'm just like so much more myself around this time of year, especially when the weather gets nice. So I'm rambling like a lunatic right now, but I will pull out my camera when I get to the coffee shop. Okay, bye. Look at this gorgeous creature in her Balenciagas. She's so cute. I'm obsessed. Wow. We're having chocolate croissants.
We like made those
Crumbs everywhere. Reunited at last.
Oh, it's been so long we've been together.
I know. We're planning our weekly meetings again.
Yes.
Baby, you're the one for me. Baby, you were meant for me. I'm madly in love with you.
The house is finally clean. Coco is so happy. She's the princess of the house. Oh, I feel so relieved right now, you guys. Feels so good. We have to take this trash bag out, but everything's clean in its place. We've got a little candle burning, and oh, it just feels so nice. I know it doesn't look like much has happened. If anything, it looks a lot worse than yesterday, but all of the grout is done. He just has to clean the residue of the grout off, install the toilet, rip up this paper, move all this junk, and take this off, and then it's like officially done. So praise the Lord. It's 5:45 right now, so it's not that late. I just got a text from Hallie Bell. Am I going to the Edwin tonight? I'm going if you're going. I'm so glad that I got to see Dana today before all the craziness of house cleaning ensued, but it was just really nice to like catch up with her. I've got this newfound like energy for vlogging, and I'm feeling really good. I'm feeling refreshed, and I'm feeling ready to pump out some good content for you guys, some good vlogs. I'm gonna say bye to you guys here. I really suck at ending vlogs. I just can't stop rambling. All right, I'm gonna go import this footage and then start editing, and I will start a new vlog probably tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Subscribe if you haven't yet. If you are a subscriber, thank you so much. You make me so happy. Promise lots more is coming soon. I'm really excited about it. I will see you guys in another one very soon. Bye.
I'm madly in love with you. Baby, one for me. Baby, you were meant for me. I'm madly in love with you. Baby, one for me. Meant for me. I'm madly in love with you. Never let you go.
Been loving this candle, by the way. It smells delicious.